attorney present. If you cannot afford one will be appointed to you.
Judge, can I get the case number, please?
255-3536.
3536?
Ready?
Yes. On December 17th, 2024, an officer reviewed an OR.
Wait, did you catch that? We're talking multiple locations, repeat offenses, and nearly $1,600 worth of goods. This isn't a one-off slip-up at the self-checkout. This is starting to look like a retail theft spree. What do you think? Is this organized shoplifting or just someone making increasingly bad decisions?
Offense report of a theft on September 17th, 2024. According to the report, the complainant reported that the defendant, known to the complainant by name and site, stole 2 espresso machines on August 9th, 2024. The complainant stated the defendant committed the theft at 3 other store locations. The officer reviewed documents that there were theft incidents at 4 HomeGoods locations. The first incident occurred outside of Harris County, Texas. The second incident was investigated by the Harris County Precinct 4 Constable's Office. The third incident occurred on August 9th, 2024, where the defendant and an unidentified female entered the HomeGoods and entered the line to make a merchandise return. Once in line, the defendant ran toward the back, where she selected 3 sets of sheets and then walked to the front of the store and rejoined the female in line. The defendant then placed the sheets on the counter and provided the cashier with her state ID. The system denied the non-receipted refund due to excessive returns without a receipt. The merchandise was then returned to the defendant. The defendant and the unidentified female then left the store, passing all points of sale without attempting to pay. The value was $599.99. The fourth incident occurred on August 9th, 2024. The defendant arrived alone at another HomeGoods location and proceeded into the store with an empty shopping cart. The defendant selected 2 espresso machines and then walked to the front of the store and passed all points of sale without attempting to pay, and the security sensors went off. The value was $999.98. The officer reviewed the surveillance footage from the third and fourth incidents and compared them to the defendant's previous booking photo, and they were a match.
All of Marshall's HomeGoods? Is that what it is?
Yeah.
Okay. She's on bond for a theft. She's on bond for a gun case with us now. Where is the first theft?
The first theft is from a Walmart, Judge. $121.
Whoa, the judge isn't pulling punches here. A $50K bond threat and GPS tracking? That tells us 2 things. 1, the court sees her as a flight or repeat risk. And 2, this judge is laying down serious consequences to protect public interest. Let me know in the comments. Is this tough love or just tough?
Ms. Beck, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case, and I'm going to tell you now, I will do everything in my power to protect every person, place, thing in this county. And if I have to put you in custody and make your bond $50,000 because you continue to become a danger to our city, I will do it in a heartbeat. Do you understand me? I'm ordering you not to go to any Walmart, any Marshall's, HomeGoods, in anywhere. And I'm going to put a GPS monitor on you so I know where you are at all times. You are not to consume alcohol or illegal drugs. And I'm sending you now for a test so I know what, if anything, is in your system. You're to test, and then you're to come right back. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a job at this time?
Nope.
What do you do for a living?
I'm a reservationist.
Okay. I want proof that you have a full-time job because that is now a condition of your bond as well. I want to make sure that you're working full-time as well.
And Your Honor, the defendant is also a complainant in this court as well. I need to bring up, we've reassigned these cases so that we can deal with it, and so it's on separate prosecutors. Like, I have the other defendant's case assigned to me, and Abigail is assigned this case.
I mean,
She's
you
listed
guys
as
are,
So she is listed as the complainant in a separate case also in Court 5.
in what regard?
So she,
Like in an assault or something like this, of this nature?
yes, it's an assault, Your Honor. And to.
Okay, so you got, I mean, you divvy it up how you want.
Yes.
Yes.
Because I don't want her to pick up fourth case.
Right,
No, we just want to
Sure,
make you
that-
aware, Your Honor.
yes.
I'm also ordering you not to be in possession of any weapons. Do you understand? These are your bond conditions. You violate these conditions, I'm going to revoke all of your bonds and I don't understand why you're having attitude. You have now 3 cases. You're rolling your eyes as if you have some kind of. We need to talk about bond. What do you suggest as far as a bond in this case, on the newest theft case?
We would suggest a surety bond on the case, Judge, and leave it up to your discretion in terms of.
And there it is, $12,500 cash surety, but with a twist. The judge still grants a PR bond, just so she can be drug tested immediately. That's a rare blend of accountability and urgency. Smart move or risky gamble, you tell me.
Amount, but I don't think a PR bond would be appropriate here.
Well, if you do make it a surety bond, we could ask for it to be low. She did show up here on her own volition today. And I think she's, at least for today, showing the right attitude about how to handle this from here on in.
Set your bond at $2,500. Cash as surety. No more PR bonds. Do you understand? I want to send her for a drug test right now. So Felicia,
Judge, I can't send her until the bond has been posted, or else they'll take her into custody.
okay, then I'm going to give her a PR bond for now because I want to send her right now.
Yes, Judge. I'll still have to wait till that shop size.
Yep, go for it. Okay, I'm going to set the bond at $2,500. I'm going to give her a PR bond because I want to send her for a test now. You were to test and then you're to come back. Do you understand? Not leave until you sign her bond conditions. Please take a seat.
Do I have to be back here when she returns?
No, I'm not, I want to know what, if anything, is in her system, but I want proof within a week of today of full-time employment, okay? And then depending on what happens with the test, we come back in a week.